Yo, yo. Good morning. How we doing, fam? You're fourth, not first. Fourth, I can't believe this. You were late. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, so yesterday, the plan pretty much went against us. There was a nice NVIDIA scalp at the open for the puts. I was able to make some money on that. Lost pretty much all my profit. And hold on, let me pull something up. There we go. Pretty much lost all my profit on that trade on Amazon. Ended up making $10 on the day. And then we took a swing trade later in the day on OKE. Those contracts went from 1.6 to 2.10, where I trimmed 2 of the 5 contracts. So I have 3 remaining. I'll probably set the stop loss at break even or turn it into a risk-free debit spread. We'll see. Exxon completely ignored that 100. I expected there to be some kind of denial. And it completely ignored it. It was like, you know what? Forget it. And we did talk about how Exxon had multiple squeezes, right? So if we're looking at the 1 hour, it was in a 1 hour orange dot squeeze. I think it was also in a 30-minute squeeze. Maybe 4 hour squeeze. The 4 hour squeeze was releasing. This thing just said, adios, I'm gone. So yeah, I expected it to deny at 100. I was looking at the level 2 and really there wasn't any sellers. There was 1 or 2 medium-sized sellers, but everybody else was buyers. So if you guys don't know how to read level 2, I literally just did a video on it last night, and I would say it's a pretty important video. So yeah, make sure you guys go watch the video. How to read the tape, level 2 and time and sales. But yeah. Anyways, so that was my day yesterday. Winning trade on NVIDIA, lost all my profits on Amazon, and had the OKE swing, and a Facebook trade later in the day. So those really didn't profit too much, and they didn't move how I expected them to. So that was like literally almost nothing in profit on Facebook. But yeah, we'll look at Exxon. Anyways, if you guys could real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 100 people in here and only 35 likes. So if you guys do want to watch this, remember we do have to hit 150 likes. Other than that, my Australian to New Zealand dollar trade is going fantastic. If we go to the 1 hour, looks like that 1 hour is getting ready to break out. As you can see, it literally hit my price target. So if it's able to clear that, it's probably going higher. And if that's the case, I'll take off more of my position. Greetings from Thailand. What's good? What's good? Anyways, let's start with the priority week. Let me pull up the Discord to myself. Car horns. Boom. How'd everybody do yesterday, though? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. And then real quick before we start, in case anybody wants to purchase my new trading ebook, there's the link for that. 482 pages where I talk about my entire day trading, swing trading strategy, risk management, and everything you need to know about options trading. Now let's hop into the list. Priority week. Lost money. What'd you lose money on? Let's see, AMD, there it is. Gonna readjust all that. All right, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Lost money. Remember, it's not going to be immediate reactions for TLT, and it has been the leading indicator, but it's not guaranteed that it's gonna, continue to be the leading indicator. Usually bonds and stocks tend to do do opposite of each other, but for some reason this time the bonds have actually been leading the stocks. So it's not 100% guaranteed, but if we're looking at, you know, the past since the market topped, it has been. Nothing is 100% guaranteed in the market. This AMD though, actually pretty interested in that. 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze, 4 hour squeeze, came back to the moving averages. I like AMD a lot, actually. AMD love. Cool, there's that. Amazon. Remember, we're still in that, there's a lot of head and shoulder formations, a lot of them on the 1 hour. So that is something we want to watch. Nvidia, I think, was one of them yesterday. We'll get to it, but it came right down to the neckline before it bounced. Let's see, good old coin. Daily squeeze, holding that support. Maybe below 68.50. Coin. Boom. GME had a fantastic day yesterday. That bull flag finally went. Looks like it came back, retested, and ripped. Question is, where could we find an entry? Maybe we'll look at GME. IBM. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 120 people in here and only 57 likes. Need you guys to like it up if you guys want the watch list. IBM trying to come back. The thing is, with this swing, it's so overextended. Like, I would like to see a pullback first. If it doesn't give us a trade, then it doesn't give us a trade, but we'll see. It's just, I don't like that daily. I'd like to see a pullback first, and then maybe later in the month it pushes. McDonald's. Don't care about. Here we go, Nvidia. So if we're looking at Nvidia, what did it do? It came, hit the neckline, or pretty much hit the neckline. It did hit the neckline of the 1 hour head and shoulders. So shoulder 1, head, shoulder 2, or shoulder 2, my bad. So might drop, but I will tell you, I do like the blows. Hold on, default. Break above there. The top of the left shoulder is going to be at 192.36. So if Nvidia goes above 192.36, it invalidates the head and shoulders, but it's, you can see this thing very easily. So we'll look. Nvidia would be very interested if it broke the neckline. OKE, we're currently in. Got the gap fill that we wanted yesterday. PFE, waiting for that swing trade. That's setting up nicely. We'll see what we can get there. SQ. Right back to the trend line and bounced. Cole, I pieced together persons, pivots, basic support and resistance, and Fibonacci if needed. Actually, this SQ is looking interesting right there. Hold up. Need a clean chart. Can't see. So we have a daily squeeze. Came right back to the trend line yesterday and bounced. I'd be interested if it cracks below there or above. SQ, Lockheed Martin has no liquidity. Can't really trade it. Tesla, not too interested. All right, let's look at QQQ. Same thing, you can see that same head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It is in a 1 hour orange dot squeeze, which is pretty interesting. 4 hour squeeze. Clean this chart up. Let's see. If I were to be interested in QQQ, 314, 310.17. We could scalp it above pre-market highs. Yesterday's high. If it goes above yesterday's high, it's going lower. However, if it breaks below pre-market low, it's probably gonna go, or break above yesterday's high, it's gonna go higher. Break below pre-market low, it's gonna go lower. So I do like that squeeze on the 1 hour on QQQ. And then SPY, same thing, head and shoulders. What did it do? Rallied pretty much right up to the level. So as long as SPY does not go above 417, that head and shoulders is still intact. But a lot of mixed signals in this market, let me tell you. We'll see what happens there. SPY. And then, do we have any economic news today? Economic calendar. Just wholesale at 10. So just keep our eye on it. My AUD NZD looks like it's getting ready to break out. Hell yeah. Again, real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading ebook has officially dropped. If you guys would like to order it, there is the link. If you guys do order it, you're going to get an email with all the documents, and you're going to get a Discord invite to the private Discord channel. What do you mean no? Oh, you're asking Abraham if he lifts, even though his name is Abraham Lifts. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, no, we have wholesale today. Want to pay attention to it. Anyways, SPY. Really depends what it does. SPY has been range bound. This has been SPY's range. That is not what I wanted. Did you guys see my new cat, Rhino 69? Love that cat. Come on. There you go. Trust me, my book, it starts very beginner and then it gets really advanced. Like, start with basic options trading. What is it? What's calls and puts? How do we profit with the Greeks? And then we start getting a little more advanced. What's stock trends? How to plot support and resistance, Fibonacci, Person's pivots. Then we get into the EMAs and the SMAs, all the indicators I use, on balance volume, TTM squeeze, stochastics, piecing them together, reviewing winning day trades and swing trades I've taken. But yeah. TTM squeeze is a purchase indicator. And if you want to purchase the TTM squeeze, hold on, make sure to use my affiliate link. 1 second. Boom. If you want to purchase a TTM squeeze, that's my link. Anyways, Apple, not interested. Maybe above yesterday's high if you're a small account, you can watch. I just hate trading Apple. 149, 150. Let's see, AMD. Sent a bunch of squeezes. But yeah, we already discussed AMD. It's on the list. Amazon is in a 15, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour squeeze. Question is, yes, it's an ebook. For now, hard copy will be out hopefully within a couple of months. I use Active Trader yet. Amazon. Dang, Bob was just like, I'm gone. Finally broke that ginormous falling wedge that it was in. You see this? Go to the weekly time frame. Ginormous falling wedge. It finally broke out. That's why it gapped up like that. Is it free? What do you mean, is it free? If you get the TTM Squeeze Pro, you gotta call support and they'll give you a password to use it on TradingView. And then out, the Discord invite, it's in the email. There's a link there's like a PDF file or a text document that has the Discord invite in it. Anyways, I'm not interested in Baba. We looked at coin. I don't trade CRWD. Chevron. Chevron's finally breaking that strong resistance area. 180-145 is going to be important. Facebook's in a squeeze. Of course. Facebook not interested in. Microsoft squeezing. Kind of looks like it's flagging on the 4 hour. Maybe Microsoft, we'll see. We got a pretty big list today. We looked at Nvidia, PayPal. We already looked at SQ. Remember, you don't have to keep typing the name in the chat. If I look at it and I like it, it finds its way onto the list. Don't you worry. PayPal above 89 isn't too bad. Looked at QQQ, Roku don't care about. We looked at Exxon. I think it's just gone. Yeah, it came up and hit that level. Next one's 117. You could look for a denial there or a break above. No, I'm done trading utilities. Sick and tired of them. I'm like 1 in 7 or 1 in 8 when it comes to utility swings. There's too much like government influence when it comes to utility names, and it's so annoying. So I'm gonna just stop trading them. Lost a lot of money in utilities. So part of trading is realizing what works and what does not work. I can tell you one thing that does not work, and that is swing trading utilities. Anyways, let's narrow the list. Start with AMD. What is Tate? I like this AMD setup. 105.44. And trading Boeing and day trading Boeing is banned. Again, though, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 200 people in here, 92 likes. If you guys want the watch list, you got to run it up to 150 likes, and I will drop it in the chat. Anyways, I really love AMD. We're going to keep that. Coin. If anything, I'd watch coin to the downside, but not too interested in the setup. Take that off. GME. Good morning. Let's see. GME 143.5. Where's the liquidity at? 43.5. 145 calls and 150. So GME will put a question mark for now. NVIDIA. Question mark next to NVIDIA. SQ, I am interested. It just depends, does it break above this trend line? Or does it break below this trend line? Till then, not really a trade. At or above. If anything, I'll put this on the list. But as of now, I'm gonna boom. SQ question mark. Also, me and GD are gonna be together in 2 weeks. I think we're gonna do I'm gonna ask him if he wants to do a Q&A for a YouTube video if you guys are interested in that. Let me know in the chat. Would you like to see me and GD do a Q&A? I'm gonna have to clean this chart. This chart is horrific. Bear with me. No. GD don't want the smoke. Oh, I'm scared of Jersey. I would never go to Jersey. Like I said, QQQ 310.67 is going to be the major level that I'm worried about. You do have that head and shoulders. Shoulder one. Here, hold on. Let's see. How do we want to do this neckline? Why does it keep doing that? There's your neckline. So slightly slanted down, which shows signs of weakness. If it gets above 313, that's good. If it gets above 313, that's good. Break below like 302, that's bad. We'll see with QQQ. Tons of squeezes. Yeah, my grandfather grew up in Jersey. QQQ SPY. Tell you what though, I'm more interested in this SPY breakout. But again, it's got that 417.87 is going to be important. We'll see. SPY squeezes. Amazon. I do not trade SPX, I trade SPY. I'd be interested if Amazon gets above 123.50. As far as the downside, I'd be more so, actually, hold on. 122.27, 121. The thing is with Amazon, and I have to remember this, is it's not making $60 to $80 moves a day now. That's going to be hard. Making $4 moves. So it doesn't move nearly as quick. But I'd be interested both ways on Amazon. Chevron, because it's finally breaking that level. Really depends what Exxon does at that level though. Maybe. Question mark. And then Microsoft. Yeah, it's gonna be a weird one today. Keep it pushing, AUD. Alright, let's narrow this down. I don't trade penny stocks. Alright. Bring this over here. Any SMAs blocking? 107.18. Or yeah, 107.18. Boom. Is that pre-market or during the day? That was during the day. All right, I like AMD both ways. Would prefer to see a break to the upside. Again, real quick, in case you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you guys do that. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Anyways, AMD. Watching both ways. Looking for a break above 105.44 for calls. Price target equal 106.24. 106.82. 107.18. Below 104.5 for puts. Yeah, it's got a pretty big drop. Price target 102. 102.60. There's AMD. Cool. What else we got? Remember, AMD has a lot of confluence in wherever those highs are in this recent, hold on. It was in the weekly watch list. Right here, there's tons of confluence. You have a trend line, you have a 61.8% retracement, you have a pivot point blocking it, and you have a resistance. So with AMD, this is going to be a big level. Huge level right here. So yeah, I'd be careful. That's just my opinion though. So we got AMD, GME. Oh no, GME is an iffy one. Not a high probability setup for me. Where's this neckline on NVIDIA? 192. I like that 190.18 level a lot. So NVIDIA, love, SQ. Where's SQ right now? 83.8. I'm just gonna leave an alert on SQ above that level. Honestly, I'm more interested in these spying QQQ squeezes that we got going on. I want to see which way we decide to fire. All right, so QQQ. Tons of squeezes currently. Keeping my eye on this to see which way it fires. Also 4-hour head and shoulders. All right, so QQQ, keep your eye on that. It's gonna be very important. And honestly, I kind of prefer trading QQQ over SPY. To me, the QQQ, it's easier to read the price action. I think we might watch the SPY too. I know my drawing is absolutely terrible, so bear with me. SPY, 1-hour bull flag, looking for the breakout. Also 4-hour head and shoulders, so be careful. Multiple squeezes. Boom. There's SPY. I'm just gonna trade savages levels on those. No bias. Because remember, it is not 100% guaranteed that the market is going to follow TLT this time. Nothing is ever set in stone in the market. So just keep an open mind. Crude oil is looking strong. Whoops. What does that give us? 122. So if we get 122, let me look at the Chevron liquidity. Ah, spreads are terrible. Get rid of Chevron. It's a nice setup, it's just liquidity and spreads kind of suck. Yeah, we did. Honestly, with Microsoft, could get like $1 of upward momentum. Break above yesterday's high, we're definitely going higher. Nvidia, we're already looking at AMD though. The thing is, I don't like to have two semis on watch, but they both look really, really good. Came up to yesterday's high pretty much. Well, went a little bit above yesterday's high. Denied it. I would really like to see what happens if it cracks above that. 192, which is actually going to be the top of the shoulders. 92.21, waiting for that. Again, you can watch Exxon. It's at a huge resistance, just not something I'm going to be watching. Nvidia though literally tagged that price target to a T. Boom. That's why person's pivots are super important. Let's see, Nvidia, Amazon. We had 150 likes yet? Nope, we need 18 more likes. 18 more. You guys want the watch list, the ball that is in your court. Gotta run it up to the 150. I think I might wait until closer to market open to decide this one. Tell you what though, I do really like the Nvidia if it comes back up. Microsoft is also pretty interesting. Liquidity 275 calls. Might have 5 stocks on watch today. Amazon actually looks kind of weak, in my opinion. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wait a little closer to market open to put this last one out. Last one or two. So, in the meantime, what I got for you guys is AMD levels. Again, I really like that AMD setup. And then some setups on SPY and QQQ. So, keep QQQ, actually, QQQ. SPY, AMD. And yeah, I guess we'll, what do you mean you've never seen me go live this long? I go live every single morning till like 9 o'clock. You must be tuning in late. We had 150 yet? We need 3 more. You guys are close. While we're waiting for 3 more people to click that like button, if you guys would like to purchase my new trading ebook, there is the link right there. 482 pages, discusses everything you need to know about trading in general, options trading, risk management, my entire swing trading and day trading strategy, breaking everything down in an easy to read format, especially if you are a brand new trader. Person's pivots, I have a video on my channel. And yeah, watch that video. But yeah, everything you need to know about trading is in that book. And make sure you guys do join the community for it. Got a good amount of people in here so far. But yeah, if you join the community, the Brandon's Book Club community, BBC, make sure you open a ticket and send a picture of your receipt so I can give you the access needed. There we go. We hit 150 likes. Cool. So AMD, there's that one. QQQ and SPY. Again, I'll probably have like 1 or 2 more towards market open. So if you guys aren't in the Discord, make sure you guys do join the Discord where I give my live alerts, live signals, swing trades and day trades. But yeah, quick disclaimer, everything talked about in this, no, I did not write the script. Quick disclaimer, everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I am not a certified financial advisor. Options trading is very, very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So yeah, make sure you guys use your own proper risk management and do your own due diligence before entering any of the trades that I even discuss. Past results do not promise future results. So again, risk management and doing your own due diligence is super important. But other than that, if you guys are not subscribed, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you're a channel member, I'm going to post my watch list to you guys once I get everything else out. But yeah, everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you want to join the Discord, go to my Instagram. Link is in the bio. And I meant to say, I'll see you guys in the next live stream tomorrow. Peace.